There comes a time when you know you need to move on from your old sofa. So what do you do then? 1. If it's still functional, give it to your friends or family who need it. 2. You can donate it to charity and put it to good use. 3. Sell it online. You'll be surprised at the number of people who are interested in secondhand sofas. 4. City's waste management or local junk removal service. Schedule a large item pickup with the relevant parties, as it can be really convenient when time is limited. 5. Leave it on the curb. If local laws allow, you can leave it on the curb for curbside furniture removal according to their schedule. 6. Disassemble and dispose. If you live in a high-rise building, try disassembling the sofa into smaller parts for easier disposal. Getting rid of your old sofa may be a hassle, but keep in mind that it's all for the better. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more sofa-related content.